Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James, and today I'm going to be doing a little bonus video, which is the reason why I'm outside. I have bought something. You probably can't guess what it is, but well, some of you might be able to guess what it is. Some of you probably do know what it is, but yeah, let's see if you can guess what it is. What's underneath the sheet? Actually, it's probably not much of a surprise, but it's a big engine. Well, half a big engine. I'll explain that in a moment. But yeah, it's a 3.5 inch gauge LSWR D15. And basically, as soon as I saw it, first of all, I do like live steam engines. And yeah, basically, as soon as I saw it, I more or less fell in love with it because it's a 440. It's a Southern engine. And it's a local type of engine as well, so yeah, these used to be running around easily. However, it's not, as you can see, it's not a complete engine because I need to build that. But there's also a few other things which I need to do. First of all, it needs a lot of cleaning because it was sent by Parcel Force. Well, actually, before that, it was actually a barn find or something like that. That's how they refer to it, as a barn find. Probably just in somebody's shed and collected all this gunk over the years. But yeah, it was also sent by Parcel Force, and they were swinging the box around everywhere. And yeah, apparently there was some lubricant still in the lubricator, and yeah, that all leaked out and got everywhere. And yeah, there's also bits of polystyrene from how it's been posted. So yeah, that's a lot to clean up. I do also want to clean the inside of the smoke box, however I can't because it's kind of sealed. I can't even open that, so I need to get in there somehow, which is probably going to be removing the boiler, so I can clean that out. I also need to clean the fire tubes, however I can't do that because of the smoke box, so I need to remove the boiler. I'm also going to clean up these as well as best I can. Clean underneath because there's bits of polystyrene gunked up in there, down there as well. I can't stand polystyrene. And yeah, just general clean everywhere. That's just the cleaning to do. The other things I need to do, not before we get onto the tender, is we need to fix things. First of all, this does turn, that works. Most of these valves do work, apart from two. One of them is the regulator, which is fairly important, and also this valve, which I'm not too sure what it is, but it's not working, so that needs fixed as well. But to fix the regulator, I need to get into the boiler because the way it looks like it's built just above the firebox. So yeah, that needs to be fixed as well. Hopefully that's the only two main things that need to be fixed. I did notice this was a little loose earlier. Actually it seems to be better now. I think I just twisted it accidentally. So that's hopefully fine. I also need to get two things fabricated. Unfortunately they're both down here, so you probably can't see all that well. But it needs a new grate and a new ash pan, because I haven't got any of them at the moment. So yeah, that's what needs to be done under loco, and when they're all done and it all works, all clean, I'm going to run it under air, so it definitely makes sure it all runs. Then I'll do an update video for that. This isn't going to be a continuous series, it's just going to be when and if there's an update. So yeah, so don't expect anything anytime soon, because I haven't got time to work on it at the moment. So happy this works though. Needs a clean, but happy it works. Just needs a bit more lubricant around there. But and that just needs some screws to attach on there. So that's the loco itself. Needs a lot of cleaning, a bit of fixing, and some bits built for it. That's what I'm hoping for. Then we go into the tender. Now this tender isn't original for this loco. This is actually a second-hand one which I found. Well, didn't find, I bought. but it was cheap and it looked like the right size for the loco, for this loco. So I'm going to build it as a 6-wheel 3,500 gallon Drummond tender, and that will probably look quite right with this. So I've got some piping work down here to work out, but I'll work it out after I get it all cleaned and hopefully all working. But yeah, it's going to be a very long-term project. But hopefully in a few years I can run this down Fareham, because there is a track down there. I may also seek out some of those who run their trains around there, if they have any ideas on how to fix this, or if any of you lot know how to fix this. I would like to know more about this axle engine, because I cannot find any plans of it online, because it's a 440 no 3.5 inch gauge loco. The only closest I found is the school's 3.5 inch gauge loco. If it's a modified version of that, possible, but yeah, we'll have to see. But yeah, give it a quick look around. So they have made sure that the cylinders do move. They're fine. They may be a bit waterlogged, but they do move, and so do the wheels. I made sure of that. But trying to show you while being on the other side. That's a very nice loco. But yeah, hopefully I can get it working at some point. Aim for a year to at least get some bits fixed. So I have got a week off next month, so I may try to work on it then. At least get the boiler removed and cleaned out. I at least hope to get it all cleaned out within a month. But I've got a nice bit of track for it to sit on in the shed. Anyway, do let me know if anybody has any tips. Do feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, this will only be going up on my Friday days, so it's not going to be a normal thing. Yeah, bit mucky down there. I can't help but touch things and see how they're doing, but yeah, that's not one of my normal things, but it's something that I'm hoping people find it interesting, and I hope to say more about it in the future. Anyway, I'm going to finish up now, because it's been my 5th take of trying to record this, and yeah, I'll stop now while I'm ahead. So yeah, hope you all like it, and yeah, I hope to see you again next time. So take care now, bye bye.